our brains are mostly made out of fat. That's the raw ingredient for brain tissue. 60% roughly of the brain by dry weight is fat. And most of the fat that's in the brain, the body knows how to make. So basically, it can start with any raw materials from whatever we eat, and it can make the fats that we need for proper function and for proper structure. The problem is there are two big families of fat that the body can't make, and that's why we call them essential. So if you ever hear somebody say, oh, this is an essential nutrient, what they mean is you've got to get it from your diet. There's no way that your body can make it. So if you hear essential amino acid, essential fat, whatever. Okay, so omega 3s, omega 6s, those are the two classes of essential fats. And they're both crucial. We need them both. They have very complementary roles in the body and in the brain. They regulate lots of different hormonal axes in the body and the brain. And they really play the pivotal role in regulating inflammation. And we've talked a lot about inflammation. Why? Because it has such crucial impact on our mental well-being. Inflammation has a bad rap for obvious reasons because most Americans, most people in the Western world have too much inflammation. But there's also such a thing as too little inflammation. And so, we'll talk about that. It's all about finding the healthy balance. And omega 3s and omega 6s help us keep the balance that we need. And unfortunately, most of us are eating way too little omega 3. The result is toxic inflammation.
Okay, so I feel like we should probably do that classic thing where it's like to explain how important something is, you should give the opposite to it. And in my head, like we've already talked about omega 6s, and I know from your book and from some of the other episodes that we've done that actually that's a really interesting thing to explore.